There was a stretch of time in my business when I felt like I was running as fast as I could and still falling behind. My days started before the sun came up and ended long after my children were asleep. In between, I was answering messages, writing content, following up with leads, jumping on calls, organizing events, and trying to keep every plate spinning. I loved the work. I loved helping business owners grow, but there was never enough of me to go around. As a single mother of two, that math never quite worked. Every hour I poured into the business was an hour I wasn't reading a bedtime story or sitting at the dinner table. And every hour I spent being present for my children was an hour of follow ups, content, and admin piling up for later. I didn't want to choose between providing for my family and being there for them, but it felt like the business was forcing me to choose anyway. If you've ever felt that squeeze, too much to do, not enough time, and the quiet fear that you're the bottleneck in your own business, then I want you to know something right away. You are not the problem. Your methods are just out of date. And that is very, very fixable. I've spent most of my adult life in business and I've worn almost every hat there is. I started in the insurance world where I learned how much of success comes down to relationships, follow up, and trust. From there, my curiosity pulled me deeper